Welcome to the Sustainability Podcast, where we dive deep each week into the innovations shaping our future. I'm your host, Jim Frazer, Vice President of Smart Cities and Infrastructure here at ARC. And today we explore a range of groundbreaking developments in technology, sustainability, and industry. As always, if you'd like additional details on each of our 10 subjects today, feel free to go to arcweb.com and read about them in much more depth. So these advancements we'll cover this week are redefining our approach to creating a more sustainable world. So let's dive right in. First up, artificial intelligence and the resilient product lifecycle. We start with a significant partnership between Siemens and Microsoft aimed at enhancing product lifecycle management through AI. This collaboration leverages Microsoft's cloud capabilities to bring AI-enhanced solutions to various industries, improving both resilience and efficiency throughout the entire product lifecycle. This initiative underscores the critical role of AI in driving sustainable industrial practices and ensuring that products are designed, managed, and retired in the most efficient manner possible. Next up, transforming machine health monitoring. L&T Technology Services, better known as LTTS, is revolutionizing machine health monitoring. By integrating advanced AI and IoT technologies, LTTS is providing real-time insights into machine performance, enabling predictive maintenance and reducing downtime. This innovation not only boosts operational efficiency, but also significantly cuts down on energy consumption and waste, contributing to more sustainable industrial operations. On the subject of energy and water management, DLMS, more specifically the DLMS User Association, is a key player in global energy and water management communication standards. They're making strides with interoperable data exchange standards. Sergio Lazzarotto, Executive Director of the DLMS User Association, joined me on a recent podcast. There, he highlighted how these standards are crucial for advancing smart grid technologies and ensuring efficient resource management. The adoption of DLMS protocols helps in achieving greater energy efficiency and water conservation, essential components of sustainable development. Power grid transformation. Marc Borrett, CEO and co-founder of Reactive Technologies, also joined me earlier this week on a podcast to share insights on transforming power grids for a renewable future. By integrating advanced measurement and control technologies, Reactive Technologies is helping utilities manage the variability of renewable energy sources much more effectively. This transformation is truly vital for stabilizing power grids and promoting the widespread adoption of renewable energy. Next up, AI-powered security solutions. In the realm of cybersecurity, Palo, Alto Networks, and IBM have joined forces to deliver AI-powered security offerings. These solutions enhance the protection of critical infrastructure against cyber threats, ensuring the security and resilience of essential services. This partnership highlights the importance of robust cybersecurity measures in maintaining the integrity of sustainable systems. Next up, Zero Trust Access Protection. Xage Security has announced new AI-powered analytics capabilities to enhance Zero Trust Access Protection. These advancements provide granular insights into user behavior and system vulnerabilities, enabling more effective security protocols. As industries become more digitized, such security measures are crucial for protecting sensitive data and maintaining operational continuity. Next up, sodium-ion battery developments. In energy storage, Clarios has formalized a joint development with Altris, a sodium-ion battery developer. This partnership aims to commercialize sodium-ion batteries, which offer a more sustainable alternative to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Sodium-ion technology could significantly reduce the environmental impact of battery production and disposal, paving the way for greener energy storage solutions. Industrial AI platforms. Composable has launched a no-code user interface platform for industrial AI and autonomous agents. This platform simplifies the deployment of AI solutions in industrial settings, enabling companies to leverage advanced analytics and automation without extensive programming knowledge. By making AI more accessible, Composable is driving the digital transformation of industries and promoting sustainable practices. Emissions management in energy. Honeywell and Weatherford have partnered to deliver a new emissions management solution for the energy industry. This solution combines Honeywell's software expertise with Weatherford's operational insights to help companies monitor and reduce their greenhouse gas emissions. Effective emissions management is critical for meeting regulatory requirements and achieving sustainability goals. EV charging network expansions around the world. Finally, in our last news item for the week, EV Partners and CBRE are expanding the electric vehicle charging networks that they have implemented. This initiative aims to increase the availability of EV charging stations, supporting the transition to EVs and reducing carbon emissions for transportation. The expansion of this charging infrastructure is a key factor in promoting the adoption of EVs and fostering a sustainable transportation system. This is a very substantial development, as CBRE is one of the largest property managers in North America. That wraps up today's episode of the Sustainability Podcast. We've explored very quickly a range of exciting developments that are driving sustainability across various sectors, from AI and cybersecurity to energy management and industrial innovations. These advancements are paving the way for a greener, more resilient future. Thank you for joining us, and stay tuned for more insights on the latest in sustainability on the Sustainability Podcast by ARC Advisory Group.